Thanks so much for tuning in to this edition of the Quicken Guy. It is my mission to make sure you have the best user experience with your Quicken software. If you have not done so already, please click on the subscribe button below to get news, updates, and tutorials for your Quicken product. Also, if you have any questions, please comment below and I will respond to them as soon as possible. All right, let's go ahead and get started today. Some of you may be using Quicken 2014. It may be Deluxe, Premier, Rental Property Manager, or Home and Business. And you may have encountered an issue when you open your Quicken software. It gives you a script error, and it can be bothersome. Actually, it can be nerve-wracking because you have to click on that script error several times in order to make it go away. But there is actually a very simple fix to resolving the script error. Also, there's another issue you may have with your Quicken 2014 or 2015 as well, to where you get the script error as well, and we're going to show you something else to do with that. Also, you may encounter an issue where your Quicken program is running extremely slowly, and you will notice that there's a script error as well. And then once you get into your Quicken program, it begins to run extremely slow. So I want to show you today how to resolve those issues, which can be very bothersome and make folk upset. So we want to deal with those issues today, and I hope this video will help you out. So what happens is that well, I do need to say this first. When I start my Quicken program, you will not see the actual script error on my program, but in yours, you may see it. So when you start your Quicken program as such, it starts up, and right here, you may see a script error sitting on top of this window here, this box here. At first, you can't see it, but what you have to do in order to get rid of that script error, go ahead and click on it. Click on yes or no, or click on the X in the upper right hand corner until it goes away. And actually, when you come to the next little box, which should be an advertisement box for Quicken 2017, do not close that out, because this is the box that's actually causing you to get the script error. What you need to do in the lower left-hand corner, you need to click on remove the check mark from where it says remind me later. And once you remove that check mark, you're going to click in on the X in the upper right-hand corner and close that out. And of course, your Quicken program, it will open right up. So, and that will resolve the script error for that. All right, and this time you'll see that the advertising box did not come up. And if you follow the instructions that I just gave you, you will notice as well that the script error box is gone too. So, the next issue you may be running into is that when you start your Quicken program, it may be running rather slow, and just not rather slow, but it moves like it has molasses in it. It's moving extremely slow, and this is happening with Quicken 2014 and 2015. And as you may notice, you may get the script error as well. And for those of you that skip to this particular portion of the video, I will start that over. Once you open your Quicken program and it comes up, you may receive a script error, but when you click on that X and you keep clicking on that X, it may not clear out, but well, it will clear out, excuse me. It will clear out, and you have to click on that X, or click on yes, or click on no until it clears out. Then it will take you into the Quicken program. Now, if you would notice, inadvertently, it seems like when your Quicken program starts up, it comes to this tutorial page right here. And you can actually see it coming up on my computer now. This is what's causing your Quicken program to run extremely slow if you use a Quicken 2014 and 15. So when you start your Quicken program, if you're seeing this page right here, we need to change this page. For some customers, it takes so long just to maneuver through the software, but be patient with it. Let it come up. Once it comes up, you can go through the steps and the process in order to make sure your Quicken program is back at full speed. So after you've clicked on the JavaScript error 3 or 4 times to make it go away, and then you come to this particular screen, you may come up to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, come down and click on Preferences. When you click on Preferences, is already going to be default to where it says startup. And over here in the middle of the screen where it says startup location, it says on startup to open tips and tutorials. So you want to click on the down pull arrow, and once you click there, you want to scroll up and probably select anything else but tips and tutorials. So I'm going to select mine for home, and then I will click OK, and I'm going to close out the Quicken program. After that, I'm going to double click on Quicken again and reopen it, and this time you will see number one, if you clicked on the JavaScript error and you got rid of it, your program is going to open right up, and it's going to open back up to the page that you desire for it to open at, of course, where we made the particular changes. And then you will notice that your Quicken got a whole lot faster as well. And that is how you clear out the JavaScript or the script errors that you've been receiving when you first open up your Quicken program, and also clearing out that script error and coming in and changing to make sure that your program is performing properly by changing that that startup page, and which is causing the program to slow down a whole lot. Well, that's all for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Always remember, it is my mission to make sure you have the best user experience with your Quicken software. Also, if you have not done so already, please click on the subscribe button below to get news, updates, and tutorials for your Quicken product. If you have any questions or something you would like me to add to my channel, please comment below, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Once again, this is the Quicken Guy, and until next time, have a great day.